This example asks us to find the domain and range of the given graph. Notice on this graph that one endpoint is what we call included. The left-handmost endpoint is a solid dot, and so that point is included in our graph. The right-hand endpoint is not included. It's a hollow circle, meaning that that particular point is not included on the graph. The domain we know are x values. This is a smooth graph, meaning there will be an infinite amount of x values on this graph. What is the furthest to the left that this graph goes? Furthest to the left would be this x value here, -5. What's the furthest to the right my graph goes? That would be the x value here, +5. Now, we need to determine which number is included and which number is not. The left-hand -5 is included, so we would use a square bracket to include that number. The right-hand number 5 is not included, and so we would use a parentheses to indicate that that particular point is actually not a part of our domain. So this would mean that the domain of this function is all real numbers from -5 to 5, any numbers in between. It would include -5, it would not include 5. The range are the y values. For the range, we would want to know how low does our graph go and how high does our graph go. Well, the lowest that our graph goes is this number here, -10. The highest that our graph goes is this number, -4. The -10 would be included with a bracket. The -4, you would use a parentheses to indicate that that point is not included.